feel like I've been forgetting something. Oh yeah. Alright then. Alright. Spyderco. Purchased it from here. This Grail was extinct for a while. And then they like genetically engineered some more. They were available at this place, St. Nick's. This is probably the most beautiful Spyderco ever made. The Dodo. Amazing. Yeah. Super cool looking blade. It's got full size handle. Kind of spreads your pinky finger out away from your other finger. Then this finger away from your middle finger. Rock and roll. Man, these are cool. Glad they did a little sprint run of these. Do like these wild looking Spydercos. It's got an interesting lock here with a ball in it. What is this? Information. Very cool. Got DLC coding. Trademark round hole. Awesome. CPM M4. These were made in Colorado. Ball here, gotta like push it down, that releases. It's got like a ball with a plunger and a spring behind it. Pops in, locks in place. It's kind of like pinch it, disengages, locks closed. Wire clip. Interesting. Very cool little knife. I like it. Let's see. Got some yeah. Excellent little slicer. See, the blade length's about 1 3/4. Sweet. Pretty epic. The Dodo. The Dodo. Brought back from Extinction. Hope you're having a good day. Thanks for watching.